will you live? You think you'll make it to 90, 100, 120? With all the talk about increased longevity, it's time to learn the facts, fads, and fallacies that characterize the study of aging. There are lots of exciting developments, and one of the keys to the prevention of aging is an extract of red wine called resveratrol.
Resveratrol is the first compound, natural or synthetic, found to increase lifespan in mammals. Biotivia Bioceuticals shares more.
What Biotivia is trying to do is analyze the current research coming from organizations like Harvard, the Albert Einstein Medical Center, Stanford Longevity Center, and other research organizations to then translate these findings into actual products that convey the benefits shown in these studies to our customers. For example, resveratrol has shown some pretty astonishing anti-aging properties, and we have focused on those by not only producing a very highly bioavailable resveratrol product, but also combining this with other phytonutrients that are compatible with resveratrol and act synergistically with resveratrol.
Biotivia's products go far beyond traditional supplements in that they are based upon extensive research by their own scientists and pharmacists, and continuing monitoring and analysis of hundreds of thousands of studies of natural compounds by the world's top researchers, universities, and medical schools.
The evidence is that many things in fruits and vegetables protect you from the diseases of aging, but that calorie restriction has the strongest protective effect. And resveratrol appears to activate the same cellular pathways.
Aging and getting older are not necessarily synonymous. The process of aging and the deterioration of the body and mind can be greatly, if not entirely, eliminated.
A very important question is, why is it that people in this country in particular are only living into their late 70s on average, if the theoretical maximum is something like 120? And the answer to that has to do with the increasing penetration of the diseases of aging as we get into our 50s, 60s, and 70s, and particularly 80s. And this is where diet and lifestyle and also nutritional supplements become really critical.
Resveratrol increases activity of the SIRT1 gene in humans. SIRT1 has been called the longevity gene. Activation of this gene is also achieved by calorie restriction, which has also been shown to increase lifespan in laboratory studies.
The Senior Olympics is a event in Columbia, Missouri. It's held once a year. It's the largest event of the senior type Olympics in the United States. They attracted over 35,000 people. They have track and field and many other events that are normally in the Olympics. I specialize just in the swimming area. I swim the 100, 50, and the 200-yard breaststroke. And I had begun taking resveratrol just 30 days before the meet. This is the first meet I'd been to in 40 years. I hadn't been working out except about 6 months before. My times were good enough to break 3 records in Missouri, and one of those records was 18 years old. So I came out on cloud 9 and felt very good about it.
Resveratrol acts as a potent antioxidant, binding with free radicals, the molecules that cause cell damage and lead to death over time. The list of resveratrol's many health benefits is long indeed, and Biotivia is bringing those benefits to their customers. For Life and Leisure Television, I'm Michael Clark reporting.